Hello my dear students. On behalf of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, I welcome you all for this online teaching program for the event semester 2021. My name is Siddharth Pai. In the first semester, I will be teaching you digital communication theory and course code for this subject is 15EC43T. As per the syllabus from Board of Technical Education, this subject mainly consists of 6 different units, and according to end exam question paper pattern, each units are categorized into 2 different parts, that is part A and part B. Now I am here expecting each student to observe the unit name and as well as marks allocation for each unit, so that it will be more benefited for you to score good marks at the end of semester examination. Now we will move on to the introduction part of this subject. What is digital communication? Basically, digital communication can be defined as the transmission of digital data between the two users. Here the digital data may be considered as transferring email, phone calls, video conferencing, instant messaging like SMS, web chats and so on. So that nowadays digital communication is one of the emerging system of communication in which any message or information can be exchanged through any digital devices. Here the main advantage of digital communication is that in digital communication data or information can be communicated digitally. Let us look at some of the examples of digital communication services are email services, texting and phone calls between two users, data transferring between any electronic devices, video conferencing and teleconferencing as well. Some of the related areas such as military and satellite application, this digital communication system can be used more effectively. That's all about introduction about this subject. Now in the next slide, we will study the basic concept of communication and communication system. What is communication? Communication is basically a transferring data, message or any information reliably from one point to another point or from one user to the another user. Let us consider an example of two users A and B. Here these two users can exchange the information in between them, and the information may be a text, audio and video information. In the communication system, source and destination are the two important elements which deals with transferring a data in between one user to the another user. In the communication system, source can be defined as it is a unit which can generate the original information and send that information to the destination side. In the similar way, destination is a one which can receive the original information which is transmitted by the source. For example, if a user A send the data to the user B, in this case user A become a source and user B become a destination. Similarly, if the user B send the data to the user A, then in this case user B become a source and user A become a destination. So that here we can clearly observe that user A and B can become both source and destination depending on the mode of transmission. Next term which you have to understand, that is communication system. What is communication system? Communication system is a one in which that allow transferring data, message or any information reliably. Basically there are two types of communication system. First one is analog communication system and second one is digital communication system. In these two communication system, we require some of the basic elements to transfer the data between the two users. Let us look at the basic elements of communication system one by one. First one is called information source. Second one is input transducer. Next one is transmitter. After that we need a channel or transmission media. Next one is receiver. After that we require output transducer. And the last one is called user of information or destination. In the next slide, we'll study the basic elements of communication system with block diagram in detail. Look at the block diagram of basic element of communication system. In that first block is called as information source. In communication system, the information source is something which originate the data or message and transmit it to the next unit, that is called input transducer. Here the data or message, it can be human voice, camera videos, or it can be a typed text message or data. Next element is called as input transducer. We know that input transducer is a sensor which converts any other form of energy or message into electrical signal. Now this electrical signal is having set of original information which need to be transmitted from the transmitter to the receiver side. Next unit is called transmitter. It is very important part in the communication system which consists of many complicated circuits which modifies the input electrical signal which is received from the input transducer into a suitable form in which it can be transmitted easily through the communication channel. The signal which is transmitted from transmitter through the channel is called as transmitted signal or modulated signal. Next element which you are going to study, that is called channel. In communication system, channel is also called as transmission media by which the modulated or transmitted signal is transmitted to the receiver side. In communication system, we are going to use different types of channels such as twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cables. Other than these, we can also use wireless communication channels such as microwave links and satellite links. Unfortunately, there are noise in the channel which is also add up and modifies or change the transmitted signal and convey it to the receiver. Next block is called as receiver. This is also very important element in the communication system. The function of receiver is to receive the transmitted signal, reconstruct the original signal back. But here you can observe that the original signal which is reconstructed by the receiver is still in the electrical form, so that it is necessary to forward it to the another unit, that is called as output transducer. Here output transducer is the one which acts as inverse transducer. It converts electrical signal into original message and forward it to the destination, so that this original message can be understood by the destination easily. Last element in the communication system is called as destination. Destination is the unit which delivers the original information to the end user, so that user can communicate this original information further. That's all about basic element of communication system. I hope you all understood this concept. This is just a basic concept of this subject. In the next class, we are going to start our first unit, that is digital communication technique. And also we are going to study some of the very interesting topic in that unit. See you in the next video. Thank you.